This video is for 3rd gen Tacoma owners that are looking for a metal bed cover that you can mount a rack on. I found this brand on Amazon. It was around $1,600 and it came with the bed cover and the rack included. The only other option I saw online was the Go-Trax cover, and that one was over $2,000 for just the cover alone, not including the rack. This one, from what I can tell, is very similar and a lot cheaper. The installation was pretty easy. The only thing that took me a while was the cold, but that's just normal here in Wisconsin. It wasn't hard at all, and it also comes with 2 locks on both sides for when you want to lock the cover. I think the Go-Trax only comes with one side, but I could be wrong about that. The specs for the weight capacity and all of that are available on the Amazon listing, which I'll link below. But this is how it looks when it's all mounted. If you do purchase, I would appreciate it if you use the link below. It would help me out. Same with the subscription, and if you guys have any questions about this setup, just ask in the comments and I'll try to reply to everyone. Thank you.